But what think ye? A certain man had 2 sons, and he came to the first, and said, Son, go work today in my vineyard. He answered and said,
I will not.
But afterward he repented, and went. And he came to the second, and said likewise. And he answered and said, I go, sir, and went not.
Which one of them did the will of his father?
They say unto him, the first.
Verily I say unto you, that the publicans and the harlots go into the kingdom of God before you.